Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to switch account on Discord mobile. So first of all, open up Discord account. Now click on your profile picture. Unfortunately, as of right now, there is no like a quick button to click on to quickly switch your account on Discord. But hopefully there will be one soon, and if there are going to be one soon, then it should be somewhere on this page as well. But actually there is another way to do so. Keep watching because I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. So what we need to do now is to scroll down. As you can see, there is a button called logout, and that is exactly where we need to click. But before clicking here, make sure that you actually know your password and username for your Discord account, so you can log back on it again if you want. Now I can click here, it says login here. Now I can start filling out the mail or phone number and password for the new account that I want to switch to instead. Unfortunately, this is the only way to do so, as so right now on the Discord app. But as I said before, hopefully they will fix this issue soon. So this is the video. Thanks for watching it.